Buenos dias. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ramon Escalera. Just want to give you a recap from yesterday when we created a video on actual Binance. We saw this little rise and then this drop. And I thought it was going to hit 1135, which is not even that far up, which is right around here, give or take. It looked like, and I said we have to be careful with this crossover. Lo and behold, the crossover did happen where the purple went over the burgundy, which is not good. We knew right then and there it was bearish and it could possibly drop, and it did that, as you can see here. Then we saw a rise where we have the MACD. This is pretty much what's down here, the purple and yellow, and this is the EMA. This EMA is the burgundy, excuse me, is the MA 99. EMA 99, the purple's 25-day, and yellow orange is the 7-day. We saw the yellow crossover the purple, which is great. We wanted this to continue to rise. If the purple goes over the burgundy and the yellow goes over both, that's a good thing. That you're going to see a spike. I'm looking at the volume here. It doesn't look like it's not doing too bad right now. It's stabilizing. If you can see the marker, it's on an upswing just a tad bit. That's why you saw this little rise here. It's not a lot of volume. If you look at here, not a lot of volume. If you look here, it was a ton of volume right over here, which is what we need. So right now, it's in consolidation phase, is what I would like to call it, left to right. Though it dropped off just a tad bit because people made their money, now they're selling off. And eventually it's going to spike up. So if you had this trade in yesterday and you made this trade, be patient with this coin. This is Vibe, by the way, Vibe/BTC on Binance. The link will be in the description. If you're not a member of Binance, go ahead and send your Bitcoin to Binance so you can start earning and trading daily, ladies and gentlemen. But if you can see here, yeah, there's a little sell-off. It's not too bad because it was an extreme drop here. From here to here was a pretty big drop from 1800 to 1107. But don't be upset, okay, because this happened. There's a possibility that it will be able to go up. So we just got to look at the actual progression here and how many people are actually buying. So I mean, there's a lot of support at 1099. Well, almost 2 Bitcoins worth of support at 1099. Not too much selling right around between 1137. You don't see a lot of volume here. Other than, this 31,000 shares, but that'll be bought up if it gets down to 1,100, and you're going to start seeing some green candles right around here. You'll start seeing green candles and continue to rise up. So unless somebody comes in with a bunch and sells off. But the opposite could happen where somebody logs in, they see that it's being oversold, which it is. It's been oversold since January 16th, which is yesterday. Was being oversold here. It looked like it went up a little bit. You could have made some profit here. Then you would have bought here, sold, bought, sold. Now, these swings here are not a lot of volume. You want these two lines to cross over like they are above here. That means there's more volume. So as you can see here, not a lot of volume. So this is not a sad story. Don't think you lost it all. You didn't lose it all. You didn't lose a lot. You only lose when you sell low. Just be patient. Eventually you're going to see it cross over. Let me just scroll back. As you can see here, it was doing this for quite some time, where it was not even, you can make like tiny increments of profit, but then you see this huge spike here and it crossed over. Now it's right back to square one. So what's going to happen from here on out? What do you expect this coin to do? Eventually these two lines are going to cross over this dotted line, which is right here, and then you're going to see more volume. Right now there's not a lot of volume. You're going to see a lot of volume. Just be patient. Right now it's about 730 Bitcoins being traded as we speak. That noise that you hear, that beep, that is my Tron BET. I have it on automation, as you can see here going, and it's just earning for me. If you haven't seen this game, it's phenomenal. The link will be in the description. Not this link, this video, but it'll be on the video I created yesterday, ladies and gentlemen. Other than that, I just wanted to give you an update on this coin. We'll go over some other coins here. BTC is down 39%, 0.39%. Ethereum is only 1 point. I mean, a lot of these coins are down, but they're always down, and they always continue to go down and up. you want to buy in the red, but you want to buy not only in the red, but you want to buy, for example, let me go to Ripple really quick. You want to buy when it's below this dotted line as well, because if it's being oversold, that means there's a potential for it to spike up, because it will continue to do that over and over and over again, okay? And you can see that here. I don't have to tell you this. It's visual. You can see it here. It will go over this dotted line, and you'll see volumes of spikes. So you'll see, like right now, Vibe is doing this. As you can see, Vibe is doing this. Eventually, you're going to see this happen. And when this happens, that's when you want to keep an eye out and start selling. So you'll see spikes of volume, and then you're going to start seeing consolidation. It is below that line, that dotted line there, and which is usual. It happens to every coin. And then eventually you're going to see, hopefully, a spike. It looks like it's on its way down, Ripple right now. Hopefully there'll be some support for it. But as you can, I've been sitting on Ripple for a while. I still haven't sold my coins. I have about 750, 730 coins of Ripple that I want to sell. And I want to sell them in a 10,000 range. So, yeah, it's quite a climb. I mean, 10,000 is way back here. If I scroll back, maybe, we're talking about December almost. This is in January 10th. There was a huge spike here. It went up to close to 940, 9511 was the high at that particular point, and then it just started declining from there. But be patient, because if you look at previous behavior, this coin was up there. Okay, then let's scroll back. Let's keep going back, because we got to get to December. Here's December 31st. Here's December 29th. Now look, here we go. This is the 10,000 range. This is pretty much where I bought. When this huge spike happened, it'll happen again eventually. I wish I would have got down here. I didn't. I do have Ripple. I owned Ripple. I would have sold here. If I would have sold here and wait for the big drop, then I would have bought back in. But as you can see here, it went over 10,500 Satoshi. So it's been here before, and this was on the 24th of January. I believe that's the day I bought, the 24th of January. 24th of December, not January. The 24th of December is where I bought it, and I bought it on the 25th of December. So I didn't sell. I kept holding. It dropped, and now it dropped even further. Went up, went down, and here we are to the present day. I'm gonna keep moving this forward. There was a big climb here, but just didn't reach my target. It hit 95.11. So I'm going to wait for the bigger spike to occur, which it will occur eventually as time goes by. I mean, some coins you may be sitting on them for quite some time. If you want to take the loss, sell and buy back when it's lower, or if you have still profit, if you still have Bitcoin in your account and you didn't go all in on Ripple, then what you want to do is you want to buy when it's even lower, because it'll get back to that price point. This is how coins react. They will go up and they will go down. They will go down tremendously and they will go up tremendously. Remember the rubber band effect I talked about? Just keep an eye on the rubber band effect, ladies and gentlemen, because it's a quick way to get in and get out, ladies and gentlemen. So let's say it went down extremely, where it was a huge drop and it went further away from the burgundy, EMA, and the purple. So the 25 and the 99 day. If it was a huge spike, you know it's going to be a huge support coming right back. So this is where you want to buy when it gets to that bottom, and then wait for it to come back up. So right now it's a consolidation phase, left to right. There's not too much movement. There is a lot of volume. It's about 2,951 Bitcoin right now being traded on Ripple, and it is below the dotted line here, so it's being oversold. We just have to be patient, and that's it. That's pretty much what it is. Patience is key when trading crypto. You don't want to rush yourself. You don't want to take losses all the time, especially if you can't afford to take these losses. When it gets down, don't bow your head and be sad. Go on with your day. Some days you just want to keep, like I do, I keep a Blockfolio app on my phone, and I usually keep track of my actual coins there. And then, when a coin goes up I put an alert. So if I put a sell order or buy order, I put an alert on that particular coin on Blockfolio. I add alert me when it reaches below this point, and then alert me when it reaches as high as this point. And then I know that my coin either sold or was bought. Either one of those. So, that's what I love Blockfolio. If you don't have the Blockfolio app, go to your Google Play Store. I have Samsung. I don't know if it's on iPhone, but if it does, go look at the iPhone store. I'm sure it'll be there. Take a look at it, download it. That way you can keep track of your coins when you're not in front of the computer, because you don't want to sit here all day and get back injury and just be slouched over 24/7, which is a terrible thing. So again, patience when trading. That's key. Let's go ahead and go over some other coins. We got SYS. SYS went up. I sold all my SYS, SYS. Obviously, there was a huge spike. If you look at my trade history, I got rid of SYS today, this morning. I got rid of all of it, which is 661 shares. I went in and bought EOS, NEO, and EOS. I sold the EOS because it went up, and then I bought back in for EOS. And I see I got another buy order and a sell order for EOS here, as you can see. And I got another buy order for NEO, and I got a sell order for NEO. So what is this telling you? When a coin drops and you buy, it goes up, you sell, you make a profit, put another buy order in when you know it's going to hit back down. So you knew, like here, for instance, let's say I bought here, I sold here, okay? I sold here, I saw this spike, I knew it was going to drop. Where's my buying point? Well, you could have bought here, or you can wait for it to go, because this is a huge spike. This is the rubber band effect. And you knew it was going to bounce back down. So where are you going to buy? I would have placed my buy order right around this area here, which is around 1153. Okay, so I have a buy order at 2051. I got a sell order at 2127. So if this coin hits 2127, which is right around here, I'm going to sell. Okay, 2127, which is right around here. So this is where I will sell my NEO. And then my buy order is 2051. This is not NEO. This is SYS. Oops, I'm hitting the wrong coin. Hold on. Let's go to NEO. My apologies, ladies and gents. Right here. This is NEO. So again, sold. Now it's at 2073. So if it gets as low as 2051, which is right around here, this will be my buy order because it reached 2054. So this is where I would buy. I'm selling my NEO at 2051, so which is not that far. No, that's what I say. So it's 2127. I'm sorry. So 2127 is where I'm selling. That's right here, right there. This is where I'm selling. Okay, so it's been here before. It did get below the EMAs, which is not good. But be patient with NEO. NEO is a very volatile coin. There's only 574 Bitcoin being traded right now. It's about $7.40 a share. So I'm not buying an arm and a leg. I'm just trying to make, $10 profit here and there, $20 profit, give or take. As long as I'm continuing to make profit, I'm very happy. Because you can do that 24 hours a day. Okay, so that's the goal, is to continue to do this 24 hours a day. So let's take a look at another coin. See, right now it's in the red. The red doesn't mean anything. It'll eventually be green. Bitcoin is going to do a phenomenal. Crypto in general, I believe, in 2019. This is only January 2019. We still got 11 months to go. We got 11 and a half months to go. And I see a lot of potential in a lot of these coins coming down the road. You're going to see a huge spike in a lot of these coins going down the road when the news starts spreading, when there's a lot of these banks and big financial companies, investment companies come into crypto. We're waiting on that news. Hopefully by the end of January, middle of February, we'll know about that. There's a lot of YouTubers out there, which I've subscribed to because I like to listen to a lot of these coins that I do hold, especially when they talk about it, where the market is going. These guys, they create these charts, etc. I'm a simple trader. You won't see a lot of lines and demographics. Once you learn how to read a chart, you don't need all these lines, but people do it so people will understand. So if I was to draw a line from here to here, all the way down, it'll probably reach right around here. And then if I draw a line from here to here, it'll probably reach right around, I'll say right around here, give or take. And this will be a triangle, and you're watching the trend. Or you can either add trend lines. If you add trend lines, you know where this coin is going. Obviously, it's selling. But once you reach a certain point, that trend line will tell you that's the buy moment. Like right now, NEO is being oversold a lot. See this little purple line? See the little move up right here? This looks like it's going to turn around. How do I know that? Look at the volume of the red of all the selling. It's starting to shorten. Purple line looks like it's going to cross over. Get right around, I would say, what time is this? This will be, so that's 4, 8, around maybe 12, 1 o'clock. You're going to see it cross over. The purple will cross over the purple. The purple will cross over the yellow. And then you're going to see a green candles right around 12, 1 o'clock. You'll see that there. Unless somebody comes in and makes a huge, massive buy. As you can see, I'm buying at 20.51. And I'm also selling. So let me go to my sell. My sell is at 21.27, which is right there. So not a lot of volume. But the point is, keep track of the charts. Read the swings. So this is 1 swing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and you know when it's a 5 swing, there's going to be a 6 swing, and wait for it to go up. That 6 swing is going to bring this coin up. And once, how far it will go, I mean, 21.27 is not a big profit, but that's pretty much where I'm actually selling my 20.51 is where I'm selling my Neo. So that's right around 20.51. This is not that far. It's not that high. Right around. Oh man, did I say? I keep saying sell. I mean buy. I'm buying at 20.51. I'm selling at 21.27. So 21.27 is right up here. So I expect this coin to get back up here. It's been here 3 times. Once, twice, 3, 4 times, you can say. And so this is would be usually what I would do. I would draw an orange line, meaning if it touches that part or that price point more than twice, I would draw an orange line. If it touched it once, I would draw a red line, because that's a line of resistance. If it touches orange, that means it's been there multiple times, and it can get there again. So I'm just gonna sit on this coin, wait for it to get there. My trade's already in anyway, so I don't have to worry. I don't have to sit in front of the computer. I got my buy order in. I got my sell order in. Then I move on to the next coin. Don't sit here and try to analyze this for hours and hours and hours. Just put your price points in. If it reached that particular price point, see, this is where it was before. It reached that part again, and this is where it's starting to get some support, because it got some support here. It got some support here, some support here, some support here, and it's going to get some support here again. Starting to see the volume of the selling, because people, once they have their Neo sold, they got to buy again. That's pretty much how it goes. They sell, let's say they bought high, they sell here, then you're going to see people that see the coin that's being oversold. Excuse me. My apologies. It's being oversold. This is when they're going to buy. So this is where the buy power is going to come in. You'll start seeing some buy orders coming for Neo. ADA was doing really well. And then it dropped. As you can see, our ADA is still above the 99 EMA. It did cross over the purple 25-day, which, you know, you already knew once it gets to this level, it's going to drop. And it did. And it crossed here. And now hopefully we'll get some support at the 99 EMA. So if you're going to put a buy order on ADA, I will not put a buy order yet. I will wait for it to hit this 99 EMA, which once it hits this 99 EMA, you're probably going to see some support from there. Another way to figure that out is look at the price point. Once you put this arrow here, it'll tell you that's 12.17. So right around 12.17 Satoshi on ADA or Cardano, whatever you want to call it. You're going to see it some support. So we'll say 12.17. How do I know that? Click on the green too. Look at the price points. Here's 12.17, 12.18, 12.19. You're going to see a lot of support right around this area. And it's exactly what I was talking about. This, because they know if it hits this 99 May, these people are going in and buying. And once that happens, you're going to see a green candle and starts to shoot up. Hopefully it'll cross over and bounce back and will go cross over the 25-day EMA. If it does that, it's back in bull market rather than the bear market, because right now it's starting to decline. And once it bounces off here, it'll go up and start shooting up again. And hopefully it'll do this. So by looking at this coin, where am I going to buy? I just told you right before. All right, not now. Wait for it to drop down some more, right around 12.15, 12.16, 12.17. How do I know that? Right here, ladies and gentlemen. This is where a lot of support is going. Okay, so when you see this coin, you got to look at the support area. Some people have more support way down below. I mean, I don't think it's going to get that far down. It does. Sometimes I'm wrong. Sometimes I'm right. You'll never know. This is why you need to look at where other people are going. These people already created their charts. They already validated and understand where this coin is possibly going. What I'm telling you here is not something for you to sit on this coin for 2 months, 3 months. That potentially that will happen. You're going to have to sit in this coin for a while like I have. My longest coin is XRP and OMG. Those are the 2 coins. I've been sitting on them since December, so it's not even a month yet. But still, that's considered a very long time in trading aspects if you're a day trader. As you can see, there's a massive drop. All that is happening as we speak. And you're going to see a bounce off. This volume of selling will eventually die out, and then you're going to start seeing green candles. And be patient. Don't buy yet. Patience is key when trading crypto. Do not rush into a buy order just because you see this. Because if you buy now and it keeps dropping, you're already losing. And you got to wait for it to come back up. So you want to be patient with that. And just because it crosses over this 99 EMA, be patient. Wait to see what happens. But if I'm going to place an order, it'll be right around here. If you want to go even lower and say 1210, you can. Okay? Why? Because it was here right around. This was 1210, and this was on January 15th, a couple days ago. So you'll see some support and resistance here. This is where I will probably, if you want to be really frugal, you want to put your buy order here at 1210. But again, remember, it is on an upswing. It is an uptrending. As you can see, it's uptrending. So the possibility of it getting back down there, it could happen, but it's highly unlikely because it's uptrending. Once it bounces off here, it'll hopefully cross over and get back to new highs. I know it's going to get the previous high of 1235. Then it'll probably shoot up to around 1255. If it crosses the 1236 and then crosses the 1255, it's going to make new highs, and it's going to beat the high of 1275 and continue to uptrend. That is the goal of this coin. It's a possibility. We'll see what happens. That's ADA. So right now it's still hot. It's still up 0.41% if you would for 24 hours. Remember, this is a 24-hour change. Says it right there. This is from 24 hours, not a week or a day, etc. CIS is doing well. ICX is doing okay. EOS is doing okay. Let's take a look at EOS. EOS is $2.39 a share. It is on an uptrend. If you see here, you got some. It is riding the 25-day EMA. It looks like there's going to be a sell-off happening. That's why you see a red candle. As you can see, it's been above this dotted line here for quite some time. Not a lot of volume, though. So what's going to happen? There you go. There's the crossover. Purple. When the purple crossed under the 7-day, it's a sell-off. And that's why you start seeing these red candles. So when do you put your buy order? You put your buy order when it gets close to the 99 EMA. So right around 66.56 is where I'm going to put my buy order in. How do I know that? Again, go over to the sell point. Support point, which is here. So what number did I say? Around 660, 659. Scroll down. There's a lot of support here. 674. Here's 660, 659, give or take. We got about 0.7. Not too bad, but 66.51. You got 7 Bitcoins. So 66.51, which is, right around. They're buying a little bit below the 99 EMA right here, which is not that far off. This is where you want to put your buy. You want to put it before that big order. So I would go right at the 99. I would put it at 66.58 is where I'm going to put my buy, which is 66.58, which is right around here. See, this person got the right choice. I mean, they don't have a lot, but they're buying here at 66.58. Why? Because look at all this support right under it, ladies and gentlemen. You want to buy here, and then when this starts, if it drops even lower, this will start kicking the price up, and then you could take your profit. How high will it go? You want to look at it is uptrending, so it'll reach back up to around 67.15, and then 67.52, high of 67.91 at one particular point. Is it possibility to get there? Only time will tell. You don't want to get this high and get greedy unless you know there's some good news and the market's in the bullish market. I mean, when I say bullish, I mean the entire market, not just this coin. Unless there's a lot of good news on this coin, you can see massive spikes like this here. And this is what we want, okay? And that's when you start really benefiting and profiting in your crypto trading. But as you can see here, just by looking at it, it is uptrending. Okay, so be patient with that coin. EOS as well. I mean, it's a little bit red, not too bad, less than 1% here. Ethereum, USD, Ethereum BTC, you got XRP, BTC. This coin is disappointing me as of right now. I got about 20, almost 20, I got 23,000, we'll say 300 shares, give or take. And I want to sell these coins. I just don't want to sell them this low. All right, so because as you can see, it's been consolidating left to right, left to right, left to right. Right now, I'm going to wait for it. I'll probably buy some more if it drops even lower. It looks like it's doing that as we speak. How far low will it go? My guess is right around 89.89. 89.89 is where, because it was here twice on the 15th, which was 2 days ago. So I think it'll get this low. So where will I put my buy order? I'll put at 89.89, 89.88. Let's look at the support at that price point. 89.89. Right here, 89.89, 89.88. That's a good buy area right around this range. Why? There's the support, 89.84. 6 Bitcoins. And then you got other 2 right below it. I don't think it's going to get any far lower, but if it does, and you want to, get it even cheaper, another big place to go is 89.23, which is not that far off. We've got 6 Bitcoins purchased there. And you look at where you want to sell it. If it gets this far down and then you end up buying it right around 89.88, 89.89, 89.90, give or take, you want to put your sell order, and you look at the volume here. I would probably go right around here. Take your small profits, 90.58. Let's look at 90.58. That's right around here, give or take. And you got 1 Bitcoin selling off here, so you want to put your sale around 90.55. Take some small gains, small profit, and then do it over again. Or if you want to, be patient, you want to put your sell order at 90.75 because there's a massive resistance here. 15 Bitcoins. That's a 90.55, which is right here. Which is, well, it was already there. So you buy, wait to get to 89.89. And then sell at right around 90.50, right before this guy. So 90.75. So 90.75 is where you're going to put your sale. And then, and that's it. And then you make your quick gains there. Wait for it to drop again. Buy again and sell again. These are swing trading. 1, 2, we'll say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see, there's not even 7. So I will call this 7. The 7's not finished though. The 7 drop is not finished. Once this gets down, then you'll see a green candle. That's 8. And then watch the 8 go up. Okay, 7, 8. And then you want to usually swing after three swings. No, after 4 swings. 4 swings. If this thing is going left to right and it's not doing any movement, don't buy the coin. Go to another coin. There's so many different coins you can buy. So many Binance. These are just my favorite coins. That's why I trade these, because it's high volatile. Most of them are anyway. Some of these don't have that much Bitcoin being traded, but I've been making gains with them, so I keep it there as my favorite. It's easy to add a coin to your favorite. Just look up a coin, type it in here. I'm just gonna type in anything for now and see what pops up. All right. For example, ELF. I don't know what this is, but it is a coin. This coin is uptrending really, really big. There's the rubber band effect. It's too high, way too high here, and there's a reversal, and it bounced down here. About 418 Bitcoin being traded on this coin, ELF. Just remember, you can make money on these coins, okay? You can make money on these coins. There's a massive drop. It's coming. It's going to continue to drop. You want to know how far down it's going to go? Look at the support, where you want to put your purchase order. This is one you can look at the volume here and figure out where you want to buy. Right now, 1 Bitcoin is the biggest at 29.50. So this person is going to buy, right here. Guess what? Right at the 99 EMA. That's where they're putting their buy order. So if you want to be patient, wait for it to drop. If it gets to this level, this is where you want to put your buy. If it never reaches it, you don't lose anything. You don't lose anything because you never bought it. And so once if it reaches halfway and it spikes up, just cancel the order. go back to reading where the support, because a lot of people will take these support and move up because they see this uptrending. So they'll cancel the order and then move up, find out where the next support level is even higher. So that way you can buy here if it bounces, and then sell it when it gets even higher. Because this is a new high from this is yesterday, the 16th, and this is today, the 17th. So it reached a new high, and then it'll bounce down. It was riding the 25-day EMA, which was good. If you see these small little drops in between, good times to buy. But now it crossed over. This is where it's no buy zone. Wait for it to go down even further. It could get far down as here, and that's a possibility. Then you buy here and you watch it spike. Let's look at REP. I think this is called Republic Coin or something like that. Another uptrending coin. Now it's doing this swiggle wiggle. The swiggle wiggle. It hasn't crossed over this line here. It looks like the volume of selling is dying and it's gaining a little bit. We'll see what happens with this coin. Let's go to ARN. ARN is about, it's a lot of volume on this coin, about 3,200 coins of Bitcoin trading right now. But look at, the only problem is, you see here, this is where we have to be careful. There's not a lot of volume here. It's not 30-minute time frame, by the way. You can change it to 1 hour, but as you can hear, you can close up and see that this coin's been doing some volatile movement. This is another good coin to trade. Look at these huge spikes and huge drops. Great time. This is a great coin to be trading right now as we speak. It's 32 cents a coin right now. Where's the support going to land on ARN BTC? You want to, let me scroll down and find out where the massive support is going, because this is a huge drop right now. Not a lot. There's actually not even one Bitcoin being seen here. Let's up. Oh, it actually is right here. One Bitcoin at 88.01. So they're not going that far down. That's right around here. It's not too far down. But I would be patient. I think it's gonna break that 88.01 and go even further down. There's 3 Bitcoins at 88.80. This person is going HAM. So 88.80 is not that far down. That's right here. So there's gonna be massive support being pushed up from here on up. That may be a good time to buy. It looks like the sellers are losing their touch, losing their bids. Not a lot of volume. Look at this. Look at this. It really isn't. Other than 89.98, which is, we're getting close to it. I mean, it depends if this candle's gonna turn around and turn green. I don't think it's gonna turn green. I think it's gonna 30 minutes is gonna come up, and you're gonna see a green candle appear after that. Or maybe red and then pushed up and turn into green within 30 minutes, because this will close and then it'll open up a new candle for the new time for 30 minutes, and then you're gonna see. Hopefully this will be broken. So it's not a bad coin to trade. I just wouldn't buy now. I'm gonna be patient if I'm buying this coin. See this guy, 88.81 is a good time to buy this coin. Where did it go? I just lost it. There we go, right here. I would buy here 88.81 and wait for this massive push of 88.80, and then you want to sell when this starts to get bought out. If you're sitting in front of the computer, wait for it to sell off, then you sell off at the same time, because then you're going to see a spike up. Sell there, and then wait for the drop again, and do it over and over again. This is day trading. This is day trading on Binance. You don't need to know everything. I'm sorry for that beeping noise again. I won't turn it on next time. It's just I wanted to make money. That's all. It's 141. I forgot what it was at earlier, but I'm letting it continue to ride. That's it. Day trading with Binance. Let's go back to Vibe again and see where it's going, because I know I made a video yesterday, and I want to make sure you guys see it. Oh ho ho ho! That's what I like to see, ladies and gents. What did I tell you? This is a surprise. It could happen, and it did. There's a huge spike. Let's see here. Where's my... I got 5,039 shares of this, but I want to see where I bought it. That's the problem. Trade history. I'm going to put 1 week. And we're going to go to Vibe. I bought it at 11.91. See, yeah, it's not even where I'm profiting yet. So... if it crosses over this 99 EMA, it will be fantastic. That'll be nice. I'm gonna put my sell order in. What did I put it previously? I think I put it at 13. I want to put it around 13 and change. Let me look at where the support. Yeah, well, 1250 is a massive sell off there. When I say massive, it's a lot massive than these other ones here. It's only 3 Bitcoin massive, which is not that much, but it's still massive enough to make a difference. So you want to take your small profit, but man, 1250 is not enough for me to sell off, because hey, it was at 15 something what 2 days ago. So I mean, you might see this happen. See this big creek candle. This is probably the start of this, and then hopefully you see this and then this. So I'm not gonna sell yet. I'm gonna wait. I'm not in profit anyway as we speak. Actually, am I? 1191. Yeah, I am in profit. I'm sorry. I am in profit, but by like 10 Satoshi, give or take. I'm not comfortable selling there. Again, I want to go around 1350. 1350 is not even on the screen. No. Other than that big, that big resistance area, it's about 1250. But I mean, which is right here. 1250 is right around here. I did say yesterday 1350, but it looks like that 1350 they brought it down to 1250, and that's where that sell-off is going to happen. Well, it looks like there's a spike. We'll see what happens with this coin. Hopefully that green candle will continue to ride and move up, but it looks promising because see, there's not a lot of volume. I did say that, and I said this is a potential that could happen. I even said it in the video right before this happened. So be patient. Now I see a little wick on the bottom. That's not good. That means it's massive selling, as you can see, massive selling compared to the buying. But hopefully we'll get a push upwards. That's all I want to share with you guys today. If you haven't signed up for Binance, I'll put the link in the description. Other than that, my Tron BET is still betting. Where we at now? Oh, I don't like when it does that. But that's all right. I mean, I'm winning 2.62 Tron every spin. I'm betting 10. I got an automatic roll. I only have 100. I lost my Tron yesterday. I had about 922, and what I did is I didn't listen to myself, and what I did is I went in, and I had a strategy, and then I stopped the strategy, and I started doing it different. I'm going to put the link for Tron. If you like gambling Tron, and Tron is literally pennies. 30. I'm only spending about $30, $20. You get a couple thousand Tron. It's not that much money. And then you get it. It's just for me to while I'm trading, I could do something different other than watching my videos. I like watching videos like America Got Talent, stuff like that, to keep me busy while I'm trading and keep me occupied in the meantime, because you gotta do other things rather than sit in front of the computer. Plus, I got all my stuff in other than Vibe. Vibe's the only one I haven't set on a sell yet. I should do it. There is a big spike here. Look at that. Look at that massive push here. 1230. Here it comes. There it comes. You're going to see a massive green candle start to appear. There it comes. It's just going to push up the price. I did say that a few seconds ago. It looks like it's happening. We'll see what happens. Somebody might come in and sell off massively. So it's going to hit 1250, which is here. Oh, looks like they took the sell off. That looks like a bogus buy. See how they took it away? They said they put it there to buy, and now it's gone. Look at this, $11.99. You got a 1.2 million, give or take, at $11.99. So, which is not that far. That's right over here. So, I think they're waiting for the new 30-minute candle. Once that comes, these people sell up. Yeah, looks like Vibe is on its way up, ladies and gentlemen. Patience is key. Keep an eye out for it. Hopefully, you guys get this video before all this happens. I've already told you what I think is going to happen. Hopefully, it will happen. By learning and reading the charts daily. If you like this video, please hit the subscription button, hit the alert button, and also click on the links in the description. I got a couple of Tron games that you guys will love, keep you occupied. Doesn't cost a lot of money. Buy your Tron here and send it to your Tron Pay wallet. I showed you that in another video, on the very first video on Tron BET. Look at my videos. You're going to see Tron Vegas, Tron BET. And then you're going to be able to learn how to link your wallet. It's all on the sites anyway. They tell you exactly how to do it. It's Chrome extension. You need the Chrome extension. This is a Chrome extension that I'm talking about. I'm not going to reload the page, but you'll see it there. and that way you guys can go ahead and start having some fun. What happens with Tron Vegas, Tron Bet, and all these games that I play, the great thing about these games, as more people play, the more dividends they pay out. So every time you pay, even though you're losing, or if you lost it all, you're gonna earn Tron daily, because what you're doing, you're taking. Let me show you really quickly here. You're taking your dividends. This is dividends. Every time you gamble or bet, your dividends grow. This is at 1 million earlier today, and that's already at almost 4 million. But you see your available ante, and then you want to freeze it. So once you have more than one, you go ahead and withdraw. It'll send it here. Once it sends it here, you want to freeze it. Once it freezes it, it'll end up here. So every time you freeze ante, you're going to receive the dividend payout, okay? And the dividend payout will show up here. This will continue to grow as this grows. And as this grows, that's why yesterday I was like, wait a minute, how come I have 900, almost 1,000 Tron sitting in my wallet when I only had 3 the day before? It's because the dividends are paying me out. And they'll pay you out every day. As long as people are playing, they'll pay you out every day. So let's say you lost 1,000 Tron and you don't want to play no more. Patience is key. Make sure you have your dividends in there. You froze all those Inte or whatever other coins you have frozen there. I've other games I've played, but I'm not gonna show those. I don't think they're worthy enough to make a video about yet, unless something dramatic happens. But other than that, this is day trading. This is having fun. This is living the life of a crypto coin trader, which is not so pleasant sometimes. But hey, you got to do what you got to do. If you need a marketing platform to promote your businesses, please go ahead and click on pls.marketing. I'm going to add that link in the description. I'm going to give away 90-day training. That 90-day trading link. You have 7-day trial as well. Click on that if you want to learn how to market online, become a professional marketer. I'm going to put that link in the description. This is what I'm doing. This is what I do every day, ladies and gentlemen. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. If you want to join Tron BET, those links will be there. If you want to message me, that link will be down below. If you want to join Binance, that link will be down below. Look at that massive spike. This is awesome. Other than that, that's all I have to share. Take care, everyone. Peace out. And stay patient with crypto. Be patient. Take care now. Bye-bye.